So I'm feeling discouraged all over again, and I just have to talk to myself and tell myself, you know what, Xuxa, it's going to work out. The GoFundMe is going to work itself out because I don't know what is going on with GoFundMe thing. I started the campaign. You can't see how much I'm trying to raise. I just don't understand. Anyways, I think that I'm going to start a YouTube. Finally going to put something up, and it's going to be the days leading up to the Funday, which is August 25th. I've thought about changing the date several times, but financially it's not going to work. It depends on people, you know what I mean? I put it up because a lot of persons were interested and they wanted to donate, and no one has donated yet, but I know that there are certain things that I need to put out there so that people can see what I'm doing. I'm just really grateful, man. I'm grateful, and I've had a lot of setbacks within the past week and a half to 2 weeks with this Funday, and from I've posted the video, it's just like downhill, like it's ridiculous, you know. But I told myself that it's something that I've always wanted to do. So how badly do you want it when everything is going wrong? How badly do you want it? Because that's when you really push, and that's what I've been doing, you know. This bag is so pretty for $4.97. It might not be John Sport, but I like it. And this one for $9.88 as well. Come on. I told you at Walmart the notebooks were 50 cents each. So far I have 2 boxes in the cart. I'm about to see if I can get 2 or 3 more. Talk about how I just cleaned out Walmart, but I'm so excited. Couple boxes of composition notebooks and a bag of erasers, and I spent about $78. I'm just so excited, and I just have to keep thanking. So I'm purchasing all of these backpacks right now, and the total is $43.05 at CVS, and I'm taking this box with me. Cashier. So one of my customers from work, she brought a bag of Kleenex, some loose leaf, some pens, whiteouts, pencils, mixed stuff.
Is willing to donate.
Thank you, ladies, so much. Thank you. For a long time. Do they like the mechanical pencils? Is it a yay to them? Because I have Wally. Me did buy this as a from where me feel like them I gonna make maybe when I older kids them try win the lipstick here or something, cause me now use the This is the Xuxa.L.Williams wish list that was created on Amazon. Wonderful idea, by the way. This gave persons the opportunity to donate and buy things from off of the wish list because they didn't want to donate through your GoFundMe. Here is basically all the stuff I accumulated from the donations. And my best friend, she went out to Target. She bought some more glues and pencils and some more composition notebooks, which you're going to see. And she bought a trunk full of snacks, and we end up shipping those in the barrel. Now I just wanted to end the video just by inspiring people. If you have something that you want to do, go ahead and do it. Don't let anything stop you. Thank you for watching part 1 of Xuxa.L.Williams.